Hello guys,
this is a part-time
today
message to you.
I'll show you
So
something
guys, this is my real
very
voice.
important.
Guys, I'm speaking English, but I'm
I
not
have to say this
Tagalog.
before I go tomorrow.
I am speaking
So
to you
guys, you know probably
take
I'm
care of yourself
posting some
and
playlists
share
and also post.
like and subscribe and
So
share
guys,
this
make
channel
sure like and
with your
subscribe to
friends
my
or family,
channel
everything.
so you can support
So
my
guys,
channel.
I'm living in
Sui.
the
This is an important
tomorrow.
message, okay?
Tomorrow, guys,
Take
April
care of
13,
yourself.
that's our leave
Guys,
day. So bye-bye.
it is very important. My brother, how, don't know. Yeah, probably. So subscribe, like and share. I say bye-bye to my channel. And I go for June 2025. I'm grade 3. Also going to grade 4. The recognition day was yesterday. So guys, I have with honors and achiever. And also medal. And I have that. And first and fourth quarter, then the second and third quarter I am achiever. I am with the medal, but now the medal is here now. So guys, tomorrow I'll send you the favorites of yours. I'll show you the also no my medal. I'm also live in Philippines and my true name is Michael Arosiareda. I am using my mom's account. So subscribe to our channel and like and comment and share this into a friend. Guys, if you are going to black hole and if you surpass the event horizon, you get spaghettification or also known as be sucked up. So guys, it's already getting night.